Hi, my name's Chivonne Algeo and I'm from Monash University in Melbourne, Australia. My colleague Robert Moehler and I have been conducting research on how to mobilise project knowledge in temporary organisations. Defining temporary organisations, they have been established for projects to be managed which are unique endeavours designed to deliver a change. They're also defined as adhocracies, where structuralist organisations are placed to solve problems and being able to solve and adapt in an environment to deliver a specific goal. Knowledge, where identifying how to deliver these projects successfully in these temporary situations to be able to achieve these outcomes. And what Robert and I are referring to when we're looking at this is storytelling, a way of extending an organisation's capability so that informed and rational decisions can be made. We're also looking at how knowledge is mobilised by transferring between people different stories, gossip, and watching each other and how they work. We're identifying that this occurs using narrative or unpretentious inquiry, where stories are moved or driven forward through detailed explanations of the cause and effect between actions and the consequences that occur from those actions. And we'd like to posit that a lot of these pieces of knowledge are mobilised using Nonaka, Toyama and Kono's Seki model, where the knowledge is socialised, externalised, combined, and then internalised. The process of converting tacit knowledge to explicit knowledge, which often occurs in a community of practice where participation could be legitimate, could be peripheral, and Laufer and Wenger's work on how the socialisation of knowledge to develop skills in this project context can take many forms. There was a study done back in 2006 by Sismel and her colleagues in regard to 5 directions of a rethinking of the project management approach. And one of those directions was around reflection, and what Carl Weick and Sutcliffe referred to as looking at sense-making in these challenging and often complex temporary organisations. And in this process, Weick has looked at 4 steps of how organisations may make sense of different approaches to be able to reflect and deliver outcomes. And he talks about ecological change, enactment, selection, and retention. So we would like to thank you for listening to our short presentation, and Robert and I look forward to hearing from you if you would like to join us in this research. Enjoy the rest of the conference.